It's okay. Come on out. Come, Falky. Come, baby. You okay? See, they haven't moved since we moved in 2 hours ago. For them, this is quite a shock. Of course, we also just had all the boxes moved in, so there was a ton of racket, which didn't help. Hey. Come on out, honey. It's okay. Come on out. Hey. How about some food? Do you like some food? No? What do you think, Falky? What do you think? Meanwhile, Aaron on the other side is checking out the mattress that just got delivered in the bedroom, tail up. She's having a blast. Falk just might do something here with a little bit of encouragement. Hey, baby, it's okay. Okay. Come on out. See, this is why you want to start them in a small room. Can you imagine being overwhelmed by an entire room filled with boxes? And seeing them brought in and having nowhere to hide? And feeling like this? Hey, come on. It's okay. It's okay. What do you think, Falky? Come on out. I'm going to see if I can coax him out, give him a little bit of encouragement. Come on, honey. She's going to get comfy there. Come on. Well, at least he's not stiffened in fear anymore and looking around curiously. We might actually find him leaving the box once I exit the room when he gets a chance to look around. As you can tell by the body language of Feifei, she's gonna need a hell of a lot more time. She's also panicked when it comes to people. She's absolutely phobic when it comes to humans, even with me, although I can do more with her than most people. But so she's gonna take a lot of time. He's looking around, and hopefully she'll gain confidence from him. She's absolutely mad about him and trusts him a lot more, despite the fact that he's occasionally a bully to her. But hopefully once she sees him running around confidently, she'll follow suit. Okay, we'll close it here. As you can tell, Trinity has gone from her hiding spot to the litter box. She is absolutely not happy. This is typical for cats that are scared. They'll use their litter box because it has the similar smell. or rather, not, they don't know for sure why they do it, but it's a box that they can hide in. And you'll see this often in cats that are, stressed and scared. I'll see if I can give her some encouragement to just check out her environment a bit, relax. We'll see that she reacts to the touch. She's purring now. She's not ready to come out of the box yet. Purr. Now come, Tiny. You okay? Come here. It's okay. I'm just trying to make them a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more courageous to explore their territory. But they have had a really rough morning, and this behavior definitely tells that story. Let's see if I can get her to. We're gonna let her just relax a bit, and hopefully she's already looking around a bit, and she's marking this box now. So hopefully she'll be finding the courage to just check things out. Oh, she already is looking around. Come. Come. She wants to, but she's a little bit squeamish still. We'll close here and we'll check in with her later. It is interesting to watch how different personalities react to the same situation. And, it's their background often that makes the difference. I mean, right now across the hall, Faith and Falcor haven't even moved from their box yet. Whereas Trinity, I'm pretty sure, is still under the sink. Meanwhile, Iron is showing signs of, being curious and a little bit of agitation, ready to actually go and explore the rest of the house, I'm pretty sure. She's, because of how she was raised, she's more resilient on these matters. And she goes at a faster pace than the other cats. And it's kind of interesting because this is like an elementary exercise for any cat owner. I mean, the first thing you do is bring the cat home, right? And this is the process that you go through. And I would let her out and explore the rest of the apartment at her own pace, again, leaving the door open so she could come back. But there's going to be a lot of boxes moving in. There's going to be a lot of deliveries. And that might stress and upset her. So I'm going to keep her here for now. I might even keep her here until we unpack most of the boxes and assemble most of the furniture, just because otherwise it would be too confusing for her. But we'll see how she does throughout the day and how impatient she gets. I might test it out later on if she wants to join or not.